Hello, so my name is Ivan Rojas. I worked with Daniel Gonzalez on this project. So the first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to the Bitbucket repository. Once you're in there, the README file is going to contain the link to download Unity. The version you're going to want to get is 2018.3.4. So you're going to click the link, which is going to take you to the archives. Once you're there, you're going to click on Unity 2018. Once you do that, you can scroll down to point 4. You're going to select the version that's compatible with your machine, either Windows or Mac, and you're going to download the Unity installer, which is going to install everything for you. Once you have Unity installed on your machine, you can go ahead and open it up. The next thing you're going to want to do is clone the repository onto your machine. On Bitbucket, you can do that from the clone link and using git clone into your desired folder. Once you have the repository cloned on your machine, you're going to open it up on Unity. I'm going to go ahead and open up the VR mobile. So once it finally loads up, you're going to be able to see the scene. Unity is composed of the scene and the game. The game is what you would be playing once you hit play. It's how you would be able to test things. The scene is how you would build what you would see. So on the bottom here we have assets. Assets contain the models, which make up the scene, as well as the scripts, which make up the interactivity of the models. If you wanted to edit a script, you can just double click on it. It's going to default to your C# editor. So in our case, it's going to be VS Code. So once you double click that, it's going to open up and you'll be able to edit the scripts. If you wanted to edit the scene, you can do that from the Unity application. You can click on walls to move them, as well as objects such as trees. If you move it up or down, you'll be able to see it move, and this will impact the way you see it when you're playing the game as well.